Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll discuss fraction and decimals part 6 for the class 7th ICSE. Today I'll explain that how to change repeating decimals into fractions. If you don't know what is repeating decimals, so you can watch my previous video related to the fraction and decimal, that is part 5 and part 4, then you can come to this part. What is rule? Which rule you can apply when you are changing repeating decimals into fractions? Rules are written very clearly on your screen. Write the repeated figure only once in the numerator and write as many nines in the denominator. We have to write the repeated figure only once in the numerator, and once if there is one repeated figure, you will write denominator in the denominator 1 9. If 2 digits are repeating, then you will write in the denominator 2 nines. If 3 digits are repeating, you can write 3 nines in the denominator. Here are some examples. After the examples, you will be very clear about this. So take the first example, 0.6 bar. It means that 0.66666. It doesn't this is only for explanation. You can take this part only. Write the repeated figure only once in the numerator. We have to take this figure once in the numerator, and before the decimal whatever is written we will add in this. So how we can write 0 plus 6 is repeating many times, but we will take only one times. 6 upon, and 6, this is only one digit, so we'll write 1 9. So we can write 0 plus, we can simplify, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So, and if you will add 0 in this, answer will remain same. So it means that 2 by 3 is equal to 0.6 bar. Means we have converted this decimal into fractions. Once again I'll explain the method. See, we will take this repeated digit once, and whatever is written before the decimal will add in this. 0 plus, only one digit is repeating, so we'll take 6, only one digit, and only one digit is repeating, so we'll take only 1 9. We can simplify it. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so we can write 0 plus 2 by 3, and if you add 0 and 2 by 3, answer will remain same. The second example, 1.48 bar, means which digit is repeating again and again? This. So whatever is written before the decimal will add in this. 1 plus, once we will write 48 because these two digits are repeating, so once we will write these two digits. Here you can see only one digit was repeating, so once I have written 6. Two digits are repeating, so once I write. And how many digits are repeating? Two digits. Here one digit was repeating, then I have written 9. Here two digits are repeating, I write 9. Now we will add it. How to add it? Very simple way. Multiply 99 into 1. Multiply this denominator into this. 99 ones are 99 plus 48. Plus 48. So 99 ones are 99 plus 48 upon 99. सी 99 को आप 1 में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उसमें ये न्यूमरेटर ऐड कर देंगे और अपॉन ये जो लिखा है वही लिख देंगे यहाँ पे. तो 99 plus 48, 147 upon 99. Same way you can do this also. Whatever is written before the decimal we will add. Two digits are repeating, so once we will write 43, and two digits 2 nines. Again what we will do, we will multiply 99 into 23. So 19, you can do multiplication in the rough, you can multiply. So I'll write it directly, that 99 multiplied by 23, that is 2277, and we will add, multiply 99 into 23 and then add 43 upon this denominator. So 2277 plus 43, that 2320 upon 99. This is your fraction. So it means that 23.43 is equal to 2320 upon 99. I hope you all have understood this. On the behalf of this, you can solve exercise 2E question number 7 you can solve. So on the behalf of my previous lectures, you can solve exercise 2E question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the questions, and you can take 2-3 days to solve this question. And if you have any problem, please send your problems on my WhatsApp number. I'll send you the solution. Thank you very much.